A few weeks ago, I bought a Supreme t-shirt from Supreme New York online, thinking I could resell it and become a rich man. The problem was, I got too excited when it arrived in the mail, and I basically cut through the shopping bag with my knife.
Yeah, with a sushi knife, you fucking retard.
I think the t-shirt itself is okay though. That's what I'm about to find out today. It's this tear right here. And it goes through the protective sleeve. This is the t-shirt. It's very nice looking, except that there's a tear on the protective sleeve as well.
Also, it's a fucking brick. You've got to stop wasting money on stupid shit.
This guy online recommended everyone to buy this particular t-shirt because apparently it was going to resell like crazy. He also mentioned to get a size large, which I did, because apparently larger sizes tend to sell for higher prices.
That's what she said.
He was wrong. So I'm going to go ahead now and open the t-shirt, and hopefully the t-shirt itself doesn't have a tear on it. So here it is. I'm going to open it. I really hope the t-shirt itself is okay. Because if I can't sell it, I may as well wear it. The front bit looks okay, actually. It says large here, just in case people on the streets are wondering what size you're wearing. So far, everything looks okay. There's no tear on the t-shirt itself. So I'm going to wear it. And one day when I become super famous, I could possibly resell it for the brand new price.
Obviously, the t-shirt is a little too big for Toby, but he said he doesn't mind. And apparently he can just put it in the dryer a couple of times until it shrinks to a medium. Fucking idiot. And it doesn't even look that good. It literally looks like a fucking junkie in front of White Castle just handed it over to him. So how's it looking, Toby?
I like it.
You gonna wear that tomorrow?
Yeah.
You really gonna wear it? Of course you are, you fucking hypebeast wannabe.